Hey, it's Brock here with Rock Hill Farms, and over the last week, I've been doing a series of hydraulic upgrades on my tractor that have basically doubled the performance and made it seem like a new tractor. I've increased the hydraulic pressure. I've doubled the hydraulic flow rate. I have put larger cylinders on the loader, and I've doubled my lift capacity on the loader. Now we're coming back to one that I really think is needed, and I don't think there's a case that this is overkill. What we're going to do today is replace 2 of the 4 hydraulic cylinders here on the backhoe. And if you are part of the online tractor community, you have seen a backhoe like this one with this cylinder bent. This backhoe existed for the original 2 Series John Deere tractors. They had a 2025, 2032, 2038. Then around 2017, they released a new, redesigned 2038, 2032R that is dramatically bigger. And they left it with the same backhoe. So in my opinion, this backhoe is underwhelming for this size of tractor. This tractor is basically the same size as a 3 Series, and I think it should have the 3 Series backhoe on it. That's just my opinion. So what we're going to do now is upgrade this cylinder right here and this cylinder up here with new cylinders from HydrosPlus. All of these hydraulic videos I've made this week were sponsored by HydrosPlus. I don't receive any financial compensation, but they provided me with the pump and the cylinders. So I don't know how to take this apart or how to change those cylinders, but I say we just start smacking stuff with a hammer and see where we get. It probably sounded like sarcasm on my plan, but I'm not kidding at all. I have no idea the best way to go about this, but I think first thing I want to do is just relieve the hydraulic pressure by breaking these hoses loose. And I've got a catch pan down here for whatever leaks. This isn't going to go the way I thought. I thought I'd take that snap ring off and drive this pin out. It's not a pin. It's welded on the other side. So I'm going to have to take this entire side, all these attaching hardware, it's all going to have to come off so that cylinder can slide off the end. Well, I got this all hooked up, but I don't know how to extend the cylinder manually, and I don't know how to lift this up high enough, so I'm going to see if I can use hydraulic power to push the cylinder into place. As far as today goes, that's 1 cylinder down and 1 to go. Alright guys, I'm done working in here, and I've been thinking while I was working, and this thing's kind of been making me mad. And I've been thinking about some of the comments I get where people say, well, those tractor backhoes are just toys, they're worthless. You know, why are you expecting to get anything done with them? Well, I tell you what, I paid $50,000 for this tractor, including $9,000 for the backhoe. I'm not just going to throw it in the trash because somebody thinks they've got a better machine or has a better machine. This thing can accomplish a lot of work. And I'm gonna maximize that, and I'm gonna get every drop of productivity out of this machine that I can get. All right, so I've replaced the 2 cylinders. That was a hassle, the pain in the neck, but something that I think anybody can do. Now that we've upgraded those cylinders, I want to see how much difference it makes on the same test I've done twice recently about trying to lift the tractor with the backhoe. Let's go find out. I'm guessing that was not an impressive demonstration for you, but I can tell a massive difference in how hard that can squeeze and how effortlessly it picks up these big heavy rounds, and how easily it pulls the machine around. And it's a huge difference. And I've got some more tests that are going to do a better job of demonstrating how much more powerful this backhoe is. But that's not today. Today was about making the upgrade and just showing you that it works. So I appreciate you taking time to watch the video. I'll put links on the screen to a couple more of our videos, and I'll see you next time.